So over here you can see that I am in my timeline right here, and if I were to go around and bring in, let's say for example, a video right here, then you can see that I have a video over here in my timeline. And if I were to go around over here, you can see that on the left hand side text is an option. And if I were to go around and click on the text and click somewhere right here, then you can see that a text layer has been added in right there. So I can go around and say something like tube right here, and there you go, you have your text right here, as you can see. So I can go around and move this anywhere I want, as you can see, just like this. So I can go around, move it and place it anywhere I want. I can double click to edit it again and press enter and type in more content right here, just like this, as you can see, just like this right here. And that is what you have. You got the text right here, just like this, as you can see. And this is in the timeline. And if I were to go around onto the beginning, you can see that I don't have any text right here. And you can see that my text appears right here and the text disappears once again right here, just like this. So you can go around and move this wherever you want right here on the timeline. Similarly, same goes for the composite shot as well. So I'm just going to go around right here and make a composite shot over here, just like this. And over here in the composite shot on the left hand side, you get the text over here as well. So you can go around and click. And then once you do that, a text layer is added in. And it's not just added for a certain time range, but the entire time range in this particular layer, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in, let's say for example, tube right here. So I'm just going to go around and say welcome to my channel right here, just like this, and I'm going to say keep on learning over here, just like this. And you can see that this is what you have. So it says tube, welcome to my channel, keep on learning, and then this is the new text layer that you have right here. And that is how you can go around and add in text inside of HitFilm, inside of regular timeline, and even the composite shot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe